What is Janitor AI Proxy and how to use it? Step-by-step tutorial. Hello everyone and welcome back. So if you're someone that is trying to figure out what do proxies on Janitor AI mean and how am I supposed to use them, I'm going to break it down step by step. So what exactly is Janitor AI? Janitor AI is a platform that allows you to create fictional characters where you can immerse yourself in their world and chat with them. So you have several different characters that other people have built and you can chat with these characters as well. Whenever you are creating a character or another user is creating a character, you can choose if you want to allow proxies, which basically allows people to hide their identity by concealing or hiding their IP address so no one knows where they're actually from. Now, certain models or certain characters allow proxies. You can find it at the bottom. This one does not allow proxies. I don't think it does. Yeah, it does not say at the bottom. Then if I look at this one over here and scroll down, we can see it says proxy allowed. So this one allows a proxy. So you will see several different characters. You can build your own character as well. And once you choose a character you want to chat with and you want to enable your proxy on this, you're simply going to open your chat with that character. So this is my chat with the character. And then once you open the chat with the relevant character, you're going to click on the top right. Once you click on the top right, you're going to click on your API settings. Now, once you do that, you can click on proxy over here and then click on add configuration. Once you do that, you're going to be adding any of your relevant configurations by whichever proxy you want to use. Now from here, this is going to be very individualized. Some people have their own proxies ready. So you're just going to be entering the configuration name, the model name, the proxy URL, the API key, and the custom prompt. So you can just enter that and that is it. However, if you don't have your proxy already, you can go into OpenRouter. OpenRouter is a platform that provides you with these proxies and you're going to sign up. Now I've signed up on this platform with my email address. That is all you are required. You don't have to pay for anything. Then once you sign up, you're going to go into the top left and search for DeepSeek. And once you search for it, you will see several free versions and paid versions. So I'm just going to be using this free version over here. And you're just going to be searching for DeepSeek. Once you do that, you guys will see the overview, the provider, apps, activities, and then the API. Once you go into the API, you can click on create API key. And this is going to be my chatbot key. Click on create and you will have your API key. Now you're just going to go into the proxy key like so. Proxy, the model name is DeepSeek, and you can just go back into OpenRouter. Once you do that, you're just going to be copying the DeepSeek and then you're going to add your configuration key. You can click on add configuration. So we're just going to have to enter that over here, which is going to be this URL over here. Like so, edit key, chatbot key. I would have to copy this, advanced settings, and then I can proceed. And just like so, you can proceed with adding your API keys. Now, this is the OpenRouter API keys. You can obviously, even if this is your own model, if you're creating your own character, I'm just going to be using a sample character. I'm going to just build a random character here. So we're going to be going with a foolish or Francesca or Berry, and then we can add the chat name, the character bio, limitless, personality, and then you're just going to be defining the personality of your character. So whatever type of character personality you want, you're just going to be adding that. I want a bubbly girl who loves to talk, and then we can add example dialogues and then just click on create character over here. Then whenever you are creating your own characters, you can allow proxies on this. Now they will be interacting with your character and this will basically allow them to use your character in other spaces. And then when they're chatting, they can again use it in the same way as you did. So they can go into proxy and then click on add configuration and add their own proxy configuration. Now keep in mind that you need to save these proxy configurations for each individual models that you're chatting with. It's not just a one size fits all. Is going to be very different for whoever is chatting with the AI model. So your proxy keys are going to be different. Again, this is just one character keys. If we're looking to add more, we can also find other keys. So in the same way, I can click on add configuration and within my proxy URL, I have this URL which is chat/completion. I'm going to be using this one here, and we're just going to be copying this, adding that onto the name section, removing the API key, going into copy, and we're going to scroll ahead, take a look at our providers, the link for this. So these are the specific API keys. So if you're someone that is just using OpenRouter, you can enter this proxy URL. This is what's going to work for everyone. And once done, click on Add Configuration. Once you do that, your proxy will be active, and you can click on Test and click on Edit. Obviously, this proxy is working. It might take a few seconds for it to be active. So then if you go into your proxy, you can proceed with checking the proxy and testing your proxy as well. Now, this platform has so many different models that you can chat with. There are so many different varieties of models, and you can truly find a model that's built for you. You can build your own model if you don't, and there are several niches. So if you go into hidden gems, you can find some really interesting ones, and if you go into tags and categories, you can find the perfect category. You can search for whichever category you're looking at. So you can view all of these different tags, and you can find the thing that you want to chat with. If you were looking for an assistant, a monster girl, a robot, enemies to lovers, villains, whatever story building you want to do, whatever fantasy you want to make real, you can find that here. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have, and it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like, and if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make future videos according to those. Also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.